Hello everyone, today we're going to do some cooking, my own style of tartiflette. Merry Christmas from your friend SwitPea, aka Dailani, and if you haven't subscribed yet, do it now. Today we're going to use the cheese Reblochon, and other ingredients are potatoes, bacon cubes, onions that is finely cubed. And you just have to soak the bacon cubes in a little bit of oil, and then you add the onions, and when the onions is happily done, you add the potatoes and salt and pepper, a little bit of water to steam cook the potatoes, and then cook until the potatoes is done. Okay, we'll try the potatoes. Well, a little bit more time. We'll check on the potatoes again. Well, a little bit more, a little bit. And you know the cube bacon, you can get it from the grocery store that is already sliced, and it is in a pack like that, in that small plastic bag. And I don't know, maybe it's 100 grams, but it's already packed in that. It's already sliced. This cheese, Reblochon, you can buy it in the grocery shaped like that or round. But normally, they cut it in half. But if you want to cook a lot, then you can take the one that is round. But normally people, that's why they cut it like a half moon, because some people want to take only half. So you have to slice it like that, or either cut it in small pieces, but anyway, it will be cooked the same. You see, Reblochon is a French cheese made in the Alpine Valley of Haute-Savoie, one of the nearest French region to Geneva. And now, we will check again our potatoes if it's already done, and I think it's already done. Just have to scatter the bacon uniformly. In the Philippines, you see, you cannot have Reblochon. Then you just have to use the quick melt cheese. I don't know what are the brands that are in there, but you know it very well. So do use that. Voila. And then just cover it until the cheese melts. Okay? Check if the cheese already done. Oh, not yet. Okay, few minutes more. Right Okay. Your tartiflette. That's tartiflette. Sarap. Good eaten while it's still hot. Thanks for watching, and for those of you who haven't subscribed yet to my channel, do so now. That way you'll see more videos. See you in my next video. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all.